Wave to the camera, Ethan.
He's videotaping us.
Wave, there you go. Wave on Team Iggy. Bobby and Marcus. What is that animal?
When did Leo start doing this truck engine thing? And he even runs it before he does.
Do you want to watch a video on the big screen later? What is he doing? Where'd Uncle Russ go?
Oh, he's on the right. He's on his left.
Okay, good. Oh, there's some people in there. We could go over there too. Might be less bugs.
What is it?
Purple flower. Look at it.
Let me see it. Oh, it's pretty.
Look at it.
Pretty, honey. Look
Russ,
how many
say hi.
flowers there are around here. Are these sunflowers or just some kind of...
Oh, Dave Larrabee knows all of them.